be tight.
Brandon!
Fire! Fire! Okay, we're good. Record.
I am.
Hey, that was it. That's hot, nigga. This thing was in the smoke. No, sir.
You about to do that one? It's the same thing? Stand right, like...
You ready?
I don't even know if I'm looking at it, but go ahead.
You see the lighter?
Yeah. But you don't get to see it shoot up.
Baby, what's wrong?
Oh, shit. That one was fresh.
Yeah.
That was kind of huge.
We ain't got anything else?
No, one more.
Those are the Roman candles?
David gets some more of the
No, man, we cannot have a war.
I'll shoot that.
Sean! We cannot have
Come
a
here.
war. We can have a war with my family here. I'm happy.
Well,
Sean, you get a Roman candle.
you guys gotta be in my radius, you know, so I can record this shit.
Hold it. You light one in and hold it. We're shooting it straight up. Hold on. You light it. You hold it like this. How about this? Everybody put their things in. We'll light them all at once. Hold on. Just stay here. Whoever you aim.
No, I want to record the lighting.
Other side, bro.
The other way.
So you shoot it up like this.
Right there.
Bottom.
Put it at the bottom. Put it at the bottom.
Put the lighting in front of everybody's face so I can see everybody.
Touch them at the tip.
Everybody's ready.
Go, bitch.
No, go.
Wait. Andrew. What the fuck? Here, take the lighter.
Take the lighter, he said.
I got it. Hey, man.
Lighter. I had a lighter here. Yo, all y'all go somewhere else. All y'all go somewhere else. Yo, everybody shoot them in one direction.
Hey, watch it. Hey.
Everybody shoot. Are you gonna shoot people? Go. I'm gonna shoot at David. Tell me who you're gonna shoot.
Don't shoot it.
Go, shoot at David. Shoot at David. Oh shit! Oh fuck!
Brandon.
Shoot at his ass!
Alright, that's it. I decided to shoot it towards the house.
That's all the candles we got?
Alright, that's all the shit. Yo, you should have just bought like 1 million of those.
That's everything we got?
What you got like these
Yeah.
bitches, nigga?
Fuck you, nigga, let's go back tomorrow to that tent. He said he'll be open tomorrow.
Oh my god, my face. Take the shit for the races.
Whatever that was burnt me.
You should go cop some for Saturday for the races. Dead ass. Okay?
I thought we were gonna fix my car on Saturday.
Your fuse flew out and caught my face. How much was it for?
What happened to fixing my car?
Do it on Saturday. I got started on Saturday.
No! Why you didn't buy like